Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Cirtek 100-watt GaN charger. It's a 4-port charger. You have 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports. They have quick charging capability, and there's a whole bunch of charging info right there, printed on there, so you can pause it and read it anytime. But what's great is it's a flip-out plug. We like 100 watts because it can power laptops, it can power tablets, smartphones, other gadgets. Here's some information about what this has to offer. Again, you can pause the video anytime and take a look. Here's those charging details again. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and we'll show you that in just a moment. You can get this from Amazon right now, Cirtek. Here's the USB-C cable. This is rated for 100 watts because this is 100 watts, so they want to include a cable that can handle all the wattage, and some quick information about what this has to offer. But it's simply a wall charger with 100 watts and 4 ports, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C. Also has a light to tell you what's happening with the device, and this flip-out plug is my favorite feature of this charger. You can get it now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.